Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with this weekly roundup for Honors 7 ELA. So we're going to begin reading Chapter 8 of The Hobbit this week, and we're going to continue focusing here at the very beginning about literature. On Tuesday, we will finish up Chapter 8 of The Hobbit, and then of course on Wednesday and Thursday, be reading Chapter 9. And we will be working on the chapters 9 through 10 worksheet on all 3 days from Wednesday to Friday, because of course chapter 10 is a fairly short chapter, and of course we'll be reading that on Friday. Now in the language arts section, we are going to be picking back up our narrative essay and fixing and adding any dialogue to our writing. Of course, we're going to have a little dialogue quizzes to kind of refresh our mind before we get to the essay on Monday. On Tuesday, we are going to share an essay with the partner and look at parts at where we can improve that essay. And of course, the final draft is going to be due on Wednesday. And then on Wednesday itself, we're going to pick up our first research essay, where the students are going to choose a destination, just like Bilbo and the dwarfs are trying to get to their destination. They are going to choose their own destination that they would want to travel to and do a little research. But of course, before we do any of our research, we're going to be working on Thursday, paraphrasing, learning how to paraphrase correctly, finishing up that worksheet of paraphrasing on Friday, and then be looking up sources or looking up ways to find reliable sources. That way, when we start looking up sources for our destination, we have accurate information. So that is your weekly roundup for Honors 7 ELA.